Hi everyone, welcome back to ITPK. We are diving into highly requested topic managing your LinkedIn open to work page directly from your mobile device. Whether you are on the go or prefer using your phone, this guide will show you step by step how to display and remove open to work feature on LinkedIn for all the convenience of your smartphone. I will also show you how we can show open to work page only to the recruiters or how to show LinkedIn open to work page to all LinkedIn members. And lastly, I will show you how to remove it completely on your LinkedIn profile. So on your Android phone, please open LinkedIn application. Once you open LinkedIn application, please click on the top left corner where you will see your profile photo and then click on your name. Once you click on your name, you will find this screen, and under enhanced profile you will find the option open to work. Let's click on this pencil icon in front of open to work. Once you are in the job preferences on your mobile phone, scroll down to the bottom and here you will see these two options. The first option is recruiters only and the second option is all LinkedIn members. So currently open to work page is showing all LinkedIn members. Everyone is able to see open to work page on my profile photo, and if we want it to show only to the recruiters, we can click on recruiters only, and let's go ahead and save this setting. Once I have selected to show my LinkedIn profile only to recruiters, you have noticed that open to work page is removed from my LinkedIn profile photo because I am not the recruiter. By this way, we can keep our open to work page only private to the recruiters. No one else no one else will be able to view or see your open to work status. So now the last thing, let's say we want to totally remove open to work page from our profile. Go to your job preferences again, and here at the bottom of your Android phone you will see delete from profile. So once I delete it from my profile, no one will be able to see that I am open to work. So now quickly, let's say we again wanna set it open to work and we again want to enable this page. Now click on open to, and here you will find the option finding a new job, hiring, providing services, finding volunteer opportunities. So let's suppose we need a job and we are finding a job. Let's click on finding a new job. Once you click on open to work, here you could add your job title. There are some requirements when you want to set your profile open to work. You have to add job titles, location types, and many more, including start date, or you can join immediately, or which type of employment do you need. So let's say I want it open for all LinkedIn members. Again, I can select all LinkedIn members and I can also select recruiters. So let's go ahead and save this setting. Once I have saved this setting, it's asking me that do you want to notify your network publicly or do you want to post it on your LinkedIn? So I don't want to post it on LinkedIn and I want to select not now. Again, you can see the open to work badges back on my profile photo. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial on how to manage open to work on mobile phone. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.